Hey guys, it's heyteacherraf@gmail.com. Click subscribe to see more tidbits like this. Today I want to talk about crafts, and I wanted to show you what I bought, but now I can't find it because as soon as I went to the store about 2 months ago, I think, or maybe a little less, and I went on this, you know, not hoarding, but shopping spree. And I bought a bunch of stuff and I put it in my closet. And in so doing, I was moving stuff around from one place to another to try to make a little bit of room for all this extra, like spaghetti and I don't know, just like dry goods I bought. And in so doing, I moved this contraption that I bought. It's kind of like a glue gun. you know it was like really small, and if I find it I'll show you. It's really small, and then of course it's got a wire. You just plug it in, flip a little switch, and what you do is you buy some crayons, and then you just take a crayon and you just put it in the slot, right? So it's a little thing. Put it in the slot, it goes all the way in, and it warms it up, right? You can use it as a glue gun, but it doesn't really have any power. Like as soon as you click the button to release the liquid crayon, you just kind of have to, like, you just smear it on, kind of like honestly like cream cheese on a bagel. You kind of like smear it on like that, so you have to be really delicate. Like you can't you just have to be careful how you do it, because it's coming out at its own velocity, as I guess you could say. And so if you go slow, more comes out, and if you go really quick, less comes out. And why am I telling you this? Because what happened was, see, I go to these music festivals, and I've been going for a long time, like all kinds of music festivals, and I wanted to go to EDC in Las Vegas. And so last year, I thought it would be cool to buy like a shirt, like an Alice in Wonderland kind of shirt like this. You see what I mean? Like really simple kind of design, but fun and creative and imaginative. So then I thought, okay, well, if I want to go this year, this was back before everything got canceled. I thought, if I want to go this year, I want to buy a different type of stencil or whatever. And I wanted to buy like a different type of Alice in Wonderland shirt. But see, I couldn't find anything besides this kind of shirt, right? And I didn't really like the design. You can't really see it very well, I guess. So what I did was I went and got this. Well, actually, I went to the store, to Target, to look for markers that you can use on fabric, and I didn't really find anything. And I was standing there and looking around for literally almost 2 hours trying to figure this out. And then I found this like glue gun thing or whatever. I mean, it wasn't really a glue gun. I don't even know what it was for. I can't remember. But if I find it, I'm going to show you. It's in my closet somewhere. Anyway, so I found this thing, and I thought, oh, whoa, what if I just take crayons and put it in this and da-da-da-da? Maybe I can use it on my shirt. And so that's what I did. I used it on my shirt. And I don't know if you could see it, but it's liquefied crayon. You see the texture? You see the texture? Yeah, so the light in this room doesn't really give it justice, but so I wanted to like do the outline of Alice, because it was so light. When I bought this shirt, there was no color on it. It was just this very faint type of outline, if you can see. See how faint that is? So I didn't really like that. So I thought, well, maybe I'll give it a shot. And if you could actually see this in person, it's kind of neat. I mean, it looks really neat up close. But of course, not everyone's going to like it because it's just kind of like imaginative and crazy. But that was my little craft experience, I mean, I don't do crafts. So it was kind of like an emergency craft experience. I just wanted to make a shirt with a cool design to go to a festival in, And then I got online, and I'm connected to a lot of creative people. And I saw that this lady had created this little necklace thing. Well, this is all I saw, right? And so I thought, oh, that'd be so neat to buy. Now, I didn't make this. I just bought this because I thought it was just so cool. And it's kind of a large, you see how big this is. And she connected connected it to like a necklace and everything, and that's great, you know, really kind of neat. I mean, I didn't really, you know, for me, I wasn't really buying the necklace. I just wanted to have this little Alice thing, but I thought it was really tiny. I thought it was gonna be like this big, you know, just really small, something that I could like put on a shirt. But she told me it was gonna be larger, and so I thought, okay, no problem. And it wasn't too expensive actually, with shipping and handling and everything. I think it came out to like $18, not bad at all. And she made it herself, so it's kind of nice, you know, somebody who does crafts, and then they can just put their business online and sell to other people, you know, who are creative, who want to, you know, buy something and use it as a, you know, part of their fashion for a festival or whatnot. So I thought that was kind of nice, but I'm not really a crafts person, not since I was a kid and we were in school, and you know, of course everyone has probably the same experience. You're forced to do crafts in class for every single holiday, which was fun, you know, back then. So kind of reminded me of that experience, but that's my limited experience with crafts, and I thought I'd like to share. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got something out of it. So please email me at heyteacherraf@gmail.com if you want to start your teaching journey, or click subscribe and see more tidbits like this. Take care. Have a great day.